Hey guys, welcome back to Study with Hardik. So today we will learn about the articles. Articles, there are two types of article: indefinite and definite. So today we will learn about indefinite and definite. So, indefinite articles. In indefinite articles, we use singular or one, like a and an. Now, a in this a is used before consonant sounds like b, a bicycle. Then the b is the consonant, so it will be a bicycle. So, uh, yeah, like a teacher, T is the consonant, a computer, C is the consonant, B ball, a ball, B is the consonant. Now, and if it goes before the vowel sound means A, E, I, O, U, like E, an elephant, or one elephant because it is singular. Some example: an eraser, E, an apple, A, an Indian, I. E, A, I are the vowels, so we put an. Now, some boys like H, a house, a horse. Some are voiceless H, like an R. So we use R because H is silent. An honest man, honest. In this, the H is silent. Let's try. A girl, an egg, an actor, an airplane, a house, a dog. Let's try. This is a cat, a telephone, an ice cream, an Indian, a cake, an apple. Okay. Now, now we will learn about the definite article. Like the president of the Brazil is Dilma. Dilma is the president of the Brazil. Uh, Dilma is the president of the Brazil. So it will put as the. The is used as for singular and plural. Now, the president of USA is Barack Obama. Obama is the president of USA. Now we will put the. Now, definite articles. Some are singular also. Like the snake is the dangerous. The bicycle is yellow. Now, some are plural. No, more than 98% are plural. Like the apples are delicious. The books are important. Thank you.